Hey everyone, Danny Gerfinkel from the Gerfinkel team. Please join me for a walkthrough of our newest listing, 27 Roxborough Lane. Located in the Rosedale Heights neighborhood of Thornhill, this beautiful detached home features 4 bedrooms, a beautifully renovated high-gloss white kitchen, a finished basement with a walkout, to a massive backyard that's on a pie-shaped lot. Follow me through the house and enjoy the tour. The home features a beautiful shared living dining area with 3 huge windows letting in lots of natural light so you can enjoy your living room 365 days a year. The spacious dining room can comfortably seat 6 but easily accommodate 8 and can extend right into the living room for those large holiday parties. With tons of storage and lots of pantry space, this beautiful high-gloss eating kitchen is guaranteed to be the gathering place for your family at home. Featuring a beautiful natural wood-burning fireplace, this warm and elegant family room is guaranteed to be where your family loves to unwind after a long day. The beautifully finished basement features gray laminate flooring and walkout access to your huge backyard, guaranteed to be enjoyed all summer and winter long.